to Israel. Meanwhile, veterans are homeless and committing suicide with more budget cuts on the way. As a 17-year veteran and intelligence officer, I am watching you destroy the American values and jeopardize our national security. Israel is burning children alive. Israel is burning children alive. For 1 year, I have watched Israel burn children alive. You don't care about veterans. You don't care about American values. You are destroying this country. Shame on all of you. May God give you the moral courage. May God give you the moral courage to do the right thing. May God give you your hearts. Please. Shame on you. We need veterans from California all the way to New York to stand against what we are witnessing right now. Your voice is so powerful. We know that as veterans, they are not giving us any of the help that we need while they send our tax dollars to other countries who are committing genocide. Right now is the time to use your powerful voices as veterans to say enough is enough.